Hey my dear beautiful friend, welcome back my channel again. In this video you will learn change lock screen wallpaper on your Android phone. You can follow this guide easily change them. So let's jump right in. First of all, grab your phone, go to settings. In the settings page, scroll down slowly. You can find the wallpaper and style option. Click on them and wait to open the page. After the page is open, you can find your current lock screen wallpaper option. Click to open it. After that, tap on the image icon at the top left corner. Then you can select the image if you want to set. For example, if you decide to set your own photo as your lock screen wallpaper, this is available. To do that, go to gallery. In the gallery page, you can see all of the images listed there. Choose the exact image if you want to set. For example, I am set this image my lock screen wallpaper. So tap on it, then hit the done button and wait to open the next screen. After this page is open, you can easily customize them. To do it, you can tap on the suggest option. Then here you can see various available picture. There you can set anything, or if you decide to set as default, so back to the previous page, you can also add frame. But if you don't like it, if you want to set them your default frame, so you can select it. Once everything is okay, you can also adjust the effect if you like. For example, I am added this effect my wallpaper. Once everything complete, tap on the apply button at the top right corner and then finally hit the done button. And you have successfully changed your lock screen wallpaper on your phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.